Suppose you accidentally deleted videos on your Android phone and don't know how to restore them. Keep watching this video and find the best way to recover your deleted videos. But first, if you use factory installed camera, you can check the recently deleted trash folder. If you see your deleted videos here, then choose the video that you want to restore and click Recover. Using Google Photos to recover deleted videos is another common way, but bear in mind, you must sync your videos to Google Photos before. First, open Google Photos on your mobile phone. Second, click on the library. Under that, you will find the trash option. Click on the trash. Third, you will find the restore button here. Press that, and your videos will be retrieved. But I think some of you didn't back up videos regularly, so you may wonder, can I recover deleted photos without backup? The answer is absolutely yes. I'll tell you how to retrieve deleted videos without backup. You can use the Great Helper for Android users, DBAC for Android from the official website, and connect the mobile phone to the PC. Select the Recover Phone Data option. Second, once the phone is connected to the PC, the tool will initiate scanning and look for all the lost files. The process only takes a few moments. It depends on your internet connection or the size of your files. Once the scanning is finished, a list of files will appear. Before restoring, you can preview and then press the Restore button. Okay, that's all for this video. I truly hope it is helpful to you. So, if you have other questions or recovery tips, feel free to share your comment below. Don't forget to like,